this electronic payment tax reporting that we're dealing with here, which I think we all sort of agree is not a good idea, is part of the whole tax gap. It's a way for the government to find more money to kind of mask what we're not doing right, which is being restrained in our spending up here. So we're trying to pick that number out of the air and say, we've got this money, it's a tax gap, and so we can continue to spend because it's there. And then we put this burden on you, that's how we're going to collect the money. We all agree it's not going to work, and it'll just be more burdensome on small business folks. But the tax gap reminds me of a couple of these things. We used to do this, Congress did, we were going to sell the spectrum. We had all this money out there. Every year that would be part of the budget, the selling of the spectrum, and there'd be billions of dollars that we would get. There was the infamous peace dividend. You know, the Cold War ended, so we had all this extra money we were going to spend for universal health care, or you name it. It was there. But we all know that there are always things which are faced and additional costs, and so arguably that wasn't there either. And the chairwoman and I she kidded me before about when was I going to bring up ANWR again. Well, I figured out a way to get it in.
Oh my Lord.
Ethanol was going to be the solution to all our problems. We didn't need to drill in ANWR. We didn't need to drill in the Outer Continental Shelf. Ethanol was going to take care of things. And as we found out, it's driven up the cost because we're diverting our food stock into now ethanol. And we're still seeing the prices go up, and now we're seeing food prices go up also. And so I got ethanol in there.
I see that. Okay.
All right, but anyway, thank you very much. I thought the panel was excellent.
Let me thank all of you for being here today. And clearly, this proposal really represents a problem for the members of this committee. We're going to continue to monitor what is happening and what will take place on Ways and Means. But I intend to send a letter to the Ways and Means Chairman and Ranking Member together with a copy of the transcript and comments of this hearing. I probably will be asking the General Accounting Office to do an evaluation on those numbers that came out from the Treasury Department to take a look at those numbers, and I will invite the ranking member to join me on those letters and requests. So with that, I ask unanimous consent that members will have 5 days to submit a statement and supporting materials for the record. Without objection, so ordered. This hearing is now adjourned. Thank you.